Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple poster on Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our Photoshop application on our phone and we can choose a photo we want to make it as poster. And I'm gonna go with this photo for example, and then we can add folder to our poster. I'm going to add the black and white folder, and I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, and if you want to make a poster, it should have a text on it, so we can add text to our poster. We can go to the text option right here guys, click on the text and you can enter the text here, and I'm just going to paste the text I have copied. Okay, I'm going to add text, add this text to my photo or my poster. Then we can click on done and we can customize the font, the color, and also the stroke. And I'm going to change the font. For instance, I'm gonna go with this font guys, and I'm just going to customize the position like this. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, you can customize it as you want guys. You can make it as creative as you can. Okay, and I think it's done guys, and I'm going to add border as well. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, this is the border. All right, and I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm going to make the text a little bit smaller again. Okay, and I think it's done guys, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a simple poster on Photoshop mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.